In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Copilot in Microsoft Teams. If you already have access to Microsoft Teams and your Copilot subscription is active, the setup process is very quick. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to click so you can start using Copilot inside Teams without any confusion. To begin, open Microsoft Teams. You can do this in your browser or in the desktop app, depending on how you normally access your workspace. Once Teams has loaded, give it a moment to fully display the main interface. This is important because the option we're looking for appears in the navigation area after everything finishes loading. When you're on the main Teams screen, look over to the left-hand side panel. This is where Microsoft Teams keeps its primary navigation options, such as your activity, chats, teams, and other apps or tools connected to your account. In that left sidebar, find the Copilot option and click on it. If you don't immediately see it, make sure your Teams window is fully loaded and that you're signed into the correct account that has the appropriate subscription. After you click Copilot, Teams will open the Copilot section. At this stage, if your subscription is already included and active, you should see an option that says Start using Copilot. Go ahead and click that button to enable access and begin using the feature. That's really all there is to it. Once you select Start using Copilot, the feature should become available within Microsoft Teams, allowing you to begin working with it right away. Depending on your account type or organization settings, the exact appearance of the page may vary slightly, but the overall process is the same. As a helpful reminder, Copilot availability depends on having the correct subscription and permissions. So if you click into the Copilot area and don't see the Start option, that usually means the feature hasn't been assigned to your account yet, or your organization may still need to enable it. And that's how to enable Copilot in Microsoft Teams. It's a simple process. Open Teams, select Copilot from the left panel, and then click. Start using Copilot if your subscription is active. Once that's done, you're ready to begin exploring what Copilot can do inside your Teams environment.